What's going on, my YouTube people? Today I am going to be showing you just a quick overview of a setup that I have going on. This setup is for lights, like stringer lights in your yard, to give like an ambiance or whatever you want to do. This situation is best when you want to make them portable. Obviously you can put the posts in the ground, but what I did is I put posts in planters with concrete. So I'm going to show you what they look like, kind of the process that I used, and it might be a good option for you guys. So starting off with this project, you're going to want a 8-foot 4x4s treated, 2 bags of concrete per planter, and then a planter of your choice that will hold 2 bags of concrete easily. So I got these from Lowe's, these pots. I got the treated lumber from Lowe's as well, and they are 4x4x8s. And then I ordered the stringer lights from Amazon, and a link to those are actually down below. And then the hooks used to hold the light are just standard hooks. Like, you can get little tiny hooks, and I'll show you this. You know, from any hardware store, you can order them from Amazon, anything you like. So let's take a look. Alright, so we're going to take a look at this one. And as you can see, I've got 4 total, and then it connects to the house. Here's the stringer lights. And what I used a level, you want to find a level ground to put your pot down. I poured the concrete in here dry and just moistened it. The correct way is to mix the concrete and then pour it in here, but that, you know, it's holding lights up, so it's pretty easy. On the back side here, as you can see, I just use standard hooks, just cheap hooks you can get from any hardware store. I wrapped the lights and strung them across here, and pretty easy project. I guess for the top here, to make it look a little bit better, you could get some, you know, plants that don't require deep roots and fill this with soil, but I'm actually going to get river rock and fill these just to, you know, kind of hide the concrete. Like that one, and then over here, here's another one. I got the sprinkler hooked up for the kids for the pool, so don't mind that. But same situation here, 2 bags of concrete per pot, and then I just got the hooks going across. Again, the links for the lights are going to be down below. It's a 100-foot string of lights that I purchased. Seems to be just enough to cover this, and then I tucked the slack away underneath the eave here, right here. So not much slack, but just enough. You could obviously order more or less lights as needed, but yeah, easy project. Took a day. Got the pots, the concrete, the 4x4s, the hooks up here. The original intent for these posts were actually going to be for a shade, but I found that they just weren't heavy enough to put canvas on, like weren't heavy duty enough. Moving forward, when I do that, I'm actually going to put the post in the ground like you're supposed to if I'm going to do the canvas approach with the shade. But I hope you like this video. This is obviously good for people who are renting too, so that you're not putting something permanent in the ground. You know, you can put this in pots and then you can move them around. So if you want to move the lights or do a different setup, you can do that as well with this method, and you don't have to get rid of a post that you put in the ground with concrete. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it was, you know, educational for you. Please subscribe. Don't forget about those links down below, and have a great day or night. Peace.